Union members at Unison, GMB and Unite have spent the day on picket lines across the northwest, following 3 days of action last month and promises of more to come. They want to see double-digit wage increases to match inflation, which is currently running at around 11%.
Coming together in support of each other, because essentially we're not asking for a pay rise, we're just asking for pay level with inflation, because we've had a massive pay cut for over 10 years.
Despite thousands on the picket lines, ambulance workers have maintained what they call life and limb cover, answering emergency call-outs. But the Health Secretary says it's hugely disappointing that some ambulance workers in England and Wales are continuing to take industrial action over pay. He wants more constructive talks to be held. But the health workers say they need to be paid for what they do.
Not staying within the NHS, but looking at other jobs. Some of the slightly lower paid members of staff, you can get more money working at McDonald's than you can for working in the NHS. So it's a generalised, the whole service is just run down now.
With ambulance workers back on strike across England and Wales, tensions between ministers and unions seems to be getting worse. Unite's General Secretary is accusing the government of lying and not being an honest partner in pay talks. The government is adamant that it wants to come to a resolution, but the country cannot afford to give the pay rises. Lois Adeshili reports, Mersey Focus, Warrington.